Today is Friday. I'm about to go into Market Basket right now and do a little bit of grocery shopping, but it's specifically for Super Bowl Sunday. The challenge is coming to an end. I have planned to go grocery shopping on Tuesday. I think what I have left, I will be able to stretch until then, especially with picking up these few things now that I am going to pick up for Super Bowl Sunday. So that might even stretch me a little bit more, but I don't see it going beyond next week. I've pretty much used up everything out of my freezer. So the challenge actually lasted about 7 weeks, way longer than I thought it was. I mean, it's still going on, but I am gearing towards the finish line. It's been great. So I'm about to go in there. I'll pick up what I need to get for Super Bowl Sunday, and then I'll come back and show you what I got. And I am picking up a few things too that isn't Super Bowl Sunday related, but just, you know, essentials that you need all the time that I'm not pulling out of my pantry or my freezer, things that obviously, you know, have a shelf life. So let's get to it. It's freezing. It's only 24 degrees and the wind is crazy. I'm going to do this right in the car. I went off my list with 3 things that wasn't on my list, but I haven't had any good chips in a little while, so I got these baked vegetable crisps, ranch flavored. So yeah, those hopefully will be good. I got these. I don't even know if my son will eat them. He used to like the nutty bars, and then he just got sick of them and never had them again. But I figured maybe with the vanilla, he'll try it, and if not, Denny will eat them or take them to work. And then the third item I got that wasn't on my list was their English muffins, the Market Basket brand. These are on sale 2 for $1. I've never had their brand, so I only picked up one to try. I'm going to stick it in my freezer because these last a long time in the freezer, and I always like to have English muffins on hand. So for only 50 cents, I didn't mind going off my list, and that way I'll try it, and if I like it, next time they have the sale, I'll get more. So that was the 3 items that wasn't on my list. I got some chocolate milk, which this was on sale for $2.99. That is a really good deal, so we were out of that. And I had to get the plastic bags because right now I'm in a rental and my bags are in my car, so I had to deal with the plastic bags, which I hate, but it is what it is. And then I got a gallon of milk that we needed. Their milk is $2.59 a gallon. In my area, that price, it's not the greatest, but it's not expensive compared to what we can pay. And then I got some scallops because we're gonna fry these babies up with some bacon for the Super Bowl. So got some of those. That's gonna be like a high-end treat for the Super Bowl. All right, and then I just got some greens because I love my greens and they're healthy. And these are the power greens loaded with spinach and kale, excellent source of vitamin A, K, C, folate, and they're organic. I don't know if I said that. And then we're going to do like a fruit fondue. I have the bananas that I'm going to use. I have the kiwis that I'm going to use, but I just needed the strawberries, and these were 2 for $5. On the price. It could be more expensive, I guess, but I've definitely gotten it cheaper than that. What else did I get? All right. Here is the bacon that I picked up to wrap the scallops in. This package was $3.99. Not the most expensive package of bacon, but it's still a lot for me. And then this is exactly why I don't shop on the fly. This is exactly why I like to shop around the sales. I like to use coupons. I like to plan what I'm going to buy to make sure I get the best price. But I got these chicken wings because I'm making chicken wings for the Super Bowl. And these were, I think, it was definitely 11 something, but I think it was $11.79. I'm sorry, that is crazy for a bag of wings, but you gotta have wings for the Super Bowl, right? So $12 later, we have wings. Pick this up because I am almost completely out and I need them to make my wings anyway. This is a staple in my house, and for Portuguese cooking, this basically goes in everything. Need to try it if you never have. What else? We needed cereal. It's actually on sale. I'm not sure though if it's the same ounces. It might be, but they're on sale at Walgreens right now through Saturday for $1.99, and I have 50-cent. I haven't used a coupon in the grocery store since this challenge started. I was like so excited to use a coupon, so I had 2 50-cent off coupons, so I used it towards this. Okay, so my camera just moved. As I was saying, they had these for 2 for $5. I'm not sure about the ounces. These are 15-ounce boxes. The ones at Walgreens might be 11. I'm not sure. But you know what? Because of 50-cent difference, I didn't want to run to Walgreens just for cereal, and I didn't want to send Denny out just to go buy cereal. So I just paid the extra 50 cents and got these with the 50-cent off coupon. I got 2 boxes, and they cost me $2 a box instead of costing me $1.50 a box at Walgreens. But again, like I said, this might even be a better deal if there's more ounces in here. I'm not sure, and I'm not going to worry about it. And then the last item, I believe was the last item I got, were these Tostitos. We're going to do queso. I got the multigrain, which Denny probably isn't going to be too happy about. He likes the regular ones, but oh well. And that's that. I'm probably going to upload this after the Super Bowl. That way I can have footage of all the stuff that we made for it. And then, like I said, I'm going grocery shopping on Tuesday. That probably will be in a different video. I don't know. It depends on how much footage I have. Maybe I'll combine it. Maybe I won't. But yeah, the challenge is coming to an end. And it's bittersweet. Oh my goodness. But I do have the pantry challenge that I'm doing next. I'm doing clothes purging. I am doing coat purging, which I don't even want to get into. But yeah, it's bad. So I'll be going through that. And for now, have a great weekend. Go Pats! And if you're going to watch the Super Bowl, have fun. Let me know down below if you're doing anything fun, what you're making for the Super Bowl, if you're going somewhere, if you're bringing something. And that's that. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye!